Just about 2 weeks ago, I posted a video about how I open headlights using an ultrasonic cutter. Since then, it sparked a question: how do you reattach the lens? Let me show you some of the things you're gonna need and how I go about doing that. All right, so obviously you're gonna need a set of completed headlights, the lenses that you're gonna be reattaching, a pair of gloves, some masking tape, some silicone. I use Permatex 81173, a spray bottle filled with soapy water, a soldering iron with somewhat of a wider tip, a box, and some coffee, or Jack, whatever's more your speed. Once you confirm that you're ready to get this sealed up, you want to line up the lens the best that you can. Grab the headlight, check your edges, make sure that there's no raised edges and everything's sitting flush the way that it's meant to. And take your soldering iron on its highest setting and basically run the tip along the edge where the lens meets the housing, like this. And basically what this is doing is melting the two plastics together to temporarily hold the lens in place. What I like to do is make a bead around the entire outside of the headlight just as an extra precaution. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's just something that I like to do.
One eternity later.
All right, and as you can see, there is a straight bead all the way down attaching the lens to the plastic on the housing. And this is where the masking tape and the silicone come into play. Now the tape, what you're going to use this for is to create some nice clean lines. So you're going to basically run tape around the headlight twice, one behind the cut and one in front of the cut. I'm going to do that now and I'll give you a close-up. Okay, next step, here's what I like to do. I like to use a box or any sort of open stand that you can bridge the headlight across. So that's why I just use the box that the headlights typically come in, and I lay this headlight facing upward. This way you can get to all sides without touching anything else. All right, so the next step is you're gonna grab your Permatex, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna run a small bead of silicone all the way around the headlight in between the two pieces of tape. So let me go ahead and do that for you now. Okay, now that that's done, you're gonna grab your spray bottle and soapy water. So it's okay to oversaturate every section of this. Fingertips, get it nice and soapy, and then just spray the living daylights out of this. And take your finger and lightly go over all of the silicone. All right, so once you're done smoothing the entire surface out, now you're gonna peel the tape. So I'm gonna find an opening here, just grab. Okay, I'm gonna ditch these gloves. I'm gonna show you the finished product. You can see, nice clean finish. But that's it, guys. This headlight's done. Now I let it sit. Once everything dries, I wipe it up, clean it, and get it ready for packaging. Now I have a lot more other videos that I plan on making. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, if you have any questions as to why I do some of the things that I do, because trust me, there are multiple ways to do the same job. If you have any questions, by all means just ask, because if I don't make a video for it, I will always answer questions to the best of my ability. If you're on YouTube, follow me at youtube.com/pantherlights, instagram.com/pantherlights, facebook.com/pantherlights. I'm trying to cover all the grounds here, so follow me on all platforms. If you have any questions, by all means hit me up. Thanks for watching. Take care.